Did you know that the average American spends a significant sum of $232 monthly on eating out? This alarming figure prompts us to question our dining habits. While occasional indulgences may be permissible, excessive reliance on restaurant meals can wreak havoc on our wallets and health. Hello there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist. This video was created to inform viewers to explore alternative paths that empower individuals to achieve holistic well-being and enjoy optimal health. Nature Life Remedy is research-based, information-related content. Please seek professional medical advice. In today's video, we'll discuss why you should stop eating out and start cooking at home. We must reconsider our dining choices. By cooking more meals at home, utilizing meal planning apps, and exploring cost-effective dining options, we can significantly reduce our food expenses and improve our overall financial and health outcomes. Challenges in the decision to dine out or cook at home. When faced with choosing between dining out and cooking at home, individuals encounter many challenges. Financial constraints pose a significant hurdle, as eating out can be more expensive than preparing meals at home. Time limitations also play a role, with cooking at home often requiring more time and effort than ordering takeout or visiting a restaurant. Additionally, individuals may need more culinary skills or the necessary ingredients to prepare satisfying meals, making the convenience of dining out more appealing. Factors such as dietary restrictions and social occasions can further complicate the decision. Weighing the benefits and drawbacks of each option is crucial to making an informed choice that best aligns with one's preferences, budget, and lifestyle. Benefits of home-cooked meals over restaurant dining. Home cooking offers significant advantages over dining out, benefiting health and finances. 1. Nutritional control. Cooking at home allows for complete control over ingredients, ensuring healthier meals. Home-cooked meals promote overall well-being by eliminating processed foods, excessive fats, and artificial additives. 2. Cost savings. Restaurant meals incur significant markups due to labor, overhead costs, and ambiance. In contrast, home-cooked meals utilize ingredients purchased at a fraction of the price, resulting in substantial savings. 3. Culinary creativity. Home cooking fosters experimentation and creativity in the kitchen. Individuals can tailor their meals to suit specific dietary preferences, restrictions, and culinary aspirations, enhancing the dining experience. 4. Convenience and flexibility. Home-cooked meals offer convenience and flexibility. You can prepare meals during your schedule, saving time and eliminating the need for reservations or lengthy wait times. This convenience can help you feel less stressed about meal planning and more in control of your time. 5. Quality and safety. While restaurants adhere to food safety regulations, home-cooked meals provide more assurance. Individuals can ensure proper handling, refrigeration, and cooking techniques, minimizing the risk of foodborne illnesses. Cooking at home offers numerous advantages over eating out. By providing nutritional control, cost savings, culinary creativity, convenience, and quality assurance, home-cooked meals empower individuals to adopt healthier, more affordable, and enjoyable dining habits. Advantages of cooking at home, cost savings, and health benefits. Embark on an Epicurean adventure within the confines of your abode, discovering a harmonious symphony of culinary delights. Cooking at home unveils unparalleled advantages that tantalize the palate, nourish the body, and ignite the spirit. Financial prudence. Indulge in the delectable art of home cooking while minimizing your financial outlay. Sourcing ingredients from local markets or your garden bestows significant cost savings compared to dining out, giving you the power to make smart financial decisions while still enjoying delicious meals. Health harmonization. Cooking at home empowers you to control the quality and quantity of ingredients, eliminating hidden sugars, excessive sodium, and unhealthy fats. Embrace the transformative power of nourishing your body with fresh, nutrient-rich fare, and let it inspire you to make healthier choices every day. Creative expression. Cooking at home provides an unparalleled opportunity to express your individuality and share your culinary creations with loved ones. Bonding moments. Engage children in the kitchen, fostering their culinary skills and instilling a lifelong appreciation for wholesome meals. Celebrate special occasions by preparing family-favorite dishes together, creating memories that will be treasured for years. Sense of accomplishment. Basking in the aroma and savor of a meal you have lovingly crafted brings an unparalleled sense of accomplishment. Witnessing raw ingredients transform into culinary masterpieces fuels your self-esteem and ignites a passion for the culinary arts. Cooking at home is an unmitigated joy. It offers a creative outlet for experimenting with different flavors and ingredients. engage your senses, and relish the transformative power of food. Finally, home cooking is incredibly rewarding. The satisfaction derived from creating a meal with your own hands is unparalleled. You'll be filled with a deep sense of accomplishment as you savor each bite. Cooking at home nurtures your self-sufficiency and fosters a profound appreciation for the nourishment you provide for yourself and your loved ones. Cooking at home is enjoyable and profoundly rewarding. By choosing to cook at home, you nourish your body and soul. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. We recognize that without your constant engagement, our efforts would be but a distant echo. Your continued support is the driving force behind our success, and we are eternally grateful for the privilege of sharing this platform with you. Thank you so much. If this video is valuable to you, please share your thoughts on how you manage cooking at home or eating out. If you prefer eating out, let us know in the comments section, and please help us by subscribing so we can get this community to 2,000 subscribers.